Welcome to Asset Management's How to Video on the Microsoft Outlook app for iPhone. In this video, we are going to go over installing the Outlook app and the importance of it compared to the regular Mail app. Outlook is not just a regular email app, it offers extra tools to help streamline the information you need when you need it. Some items we will go over in later videos include Outlook's email capabilities, calendar and organizational tools. Outlook also uses the Microsoft Cloud for storage, so you no longer have to worry about taking up too much space on your phone. To begin installing the Outlook app, you will need to open the App Store. In the App Store's search bar, you will type in Outlook. Once you see the Microsoft Outlook app, you click Get. Apple will confirm the app you are trying to install with a pop-up at the bottom of your screen. You will click Install. Then you will need to confirm it is you by typing in your Apple ID password and clicking Sign In. You will know the app is downloading when you see the Get next to it in the Apple Store change. You will also see it on the home screen of your iPhone with the download progress. When Outlook is ready, the app will be completely clear. Once Outlook is ready, you will click on the app and be brought to the sign-in screen. Click Add Account and type in your Asset Management Alliance email address and click Add Account again. You will then need to type in your password and click Log In. You should then be brought straight to your inbox. Since Microsoft is cloud-based, it may take a moment for all of your emails to download. While you wait, take a look around. In the next videos, we will work through tips and tricks throughout Microsoft Outlook. This way, you are able to use it to the fullest and find how it can benefit you best throughout your workday.
Yay!